Dishwasher tablets are usually packed on horizontal flow wrapping machines. But for this project, we offered the customer a vertical form, fill, and seal packaging machine instead. This semi-automated setup proved to be the optimal choice. High-speed performance simply wasn't required for this project. The machine takes roughly half the floor space and costs less than a flow wrapping system. If you're looking for a compact and economical solution, get in touch with Notis. Visit notis.ru. Thank you.